Hello guys, my name is Zishan and welcome to Support Tradish YouTube channel. In this video I'll talk about Sandbox. As you can see, the market is kind of recovering from here and we see a recovery in the Sandbox as well. Let's get started on the daily chart of the Sandbox right here. As you can see, the market is kind of recovering from here, but the recovery I can see is not convincing. As you can see, very small bullish candles, and we have not hit the level like here. First we need to hit this level like at around $2.30 level, but we haven't hit the level yet. The lowest we went is at $2.60 level. So right now we are making a lower high and lower low on the daily chart as well, as you can see, and we have also broken this significant level of support here. As you can see, this was a nice area of support at around $3.70 level, and if price manages to go above from here and go to around $3.7080 level, then we will find a severe resistance at this level as well. As you can see, a nice support resistance area here as well. So guys, be very careful here. Any bullish rally before $3.70 level is kind of a trap, a kind of a bull trap here, and we will see a selling pressure, and I'm expecting a price to go towards this $2.30 level or even $1 level in the Sandbox if this bearish pressure remains and we don't see a bullish pressure in the Bitcoin. So we could wait for the shorting opportunity somewhere here or here at around 3.8 and 4.20 level. I'll be flipping the bullish bias once we break this high at around $5.20 level, but it has still way more up to go, like about 70% from the bottom. So that is not possible in my opinion for the time being, and we need to see some kind of price stabilization here or breaking out from the swing high. Then we can say that we are going towards the upside from now, but right now the price action is looking bearish to me. So wait for some sort of levels to hit, then we can short this Sandbox. Alright, I hope you guys like this quick video analysis of Sandbox. If you liked it, I request you to please smash up the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.